Hello and welcome to Floorex. Today I'd like to demonstrate the Satellite 480 Generation 4 and the new tooling disc and how it can be fitted with our new Bushammer system. So in previous versions to this machine we've had Bushammers available and they fitted using this Bushammer plug. This fitted into the tapered socket as usual where the magnetic plug would normally go, and we had a Bushammer roller on the top here. Main limitations with this particular tool was bearing life. Produced excellent results and a lot of customers had a lot of success with them. However, on the new Generation 4 Satellite 480 we now have a new tooling disc with a MAP system, multi-accessory point, and this system allows us to fit a lot more diverse range of tools. Going to the future we intend to develop these further. So let's have a look at the new Bushammer tooling. So the new Bushammer tooling looks like this. We have a main bearing unit and we have the roller fitted here. Now this particular roller is also available, this is a 24 tooth, this is also available in a 48 tooth for different results. The most popular is the 24 tooth, and obviously this roller is exactly the same as the Galaxy Bushammer rollers. So to demonstrate how this fits the machine, we have the new tooling disc underneath the Satellite 480 with a multi-accessory point. We have the three magnetic plugs as usual where the standard diamond disc would be fitted. So in this case we'll remove these three magnetic plugs. So that's the three magnetic plugs removed. We then need to remove these three plates from off the tooling disc. So I'll demonstrate that with one of these plates. So we need to remove the cover plate, and then using the same screws that's supplied, we install the Bushammer roller. So as you can see, it's very clean, simple installation. The advantage of this is the bearings are a lot bigger than previous. They're also protected and the roller is a lot larger. So as you can see, these rollers simply roll over the floor and produce a bush-hammered result. So there you have it, the Bushammer for the Satellite 480 Generation 4. Thanks for watching.